I'm in an Audi RS4 Avant. Next to me is an RS3 saloon. A bit like me, you would like to know which is the quickest over a standing quarter mile, because Audi states the same 0 to 60 time for these cars of 4.1 seconds, but I know in reality they're both quicker. So we're going to find out which is actually the quickest now. This has a 2.9 litre twin turbo V6 petrol engine with 450 horsepower. It has 600 newton meters of torque, but it weighs 1700 kilos. That has a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder engine with 400 horsepower, 480 newton meters of torque, but it weighs 1500 kilos, so it's 200 kilos lighter than this RS4, and that could make all the difference. Now, before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you already are, please check that you've got your notifications turned on. You do that by hitting the bell. If you don't have your notifications on, you will not be alerted when we make a new upload, so make sure you've done that. Now, before we go, I want you to guess which of these cars you think is going to win, the RS4 or the RS3. Click on the pop-out button in the top right-hand corner of the screen to vote, okay? Right, if you've done that then, let's race. Oh, it's neck and neck. Oh, it's going to be close, this. No, it's staying as it is. And that's the win. That is the win. Whoa, whoa, that was close.
But just how close was it? Well, the RS4 did the quarter mile in 12.1 seconds, but the RS3 was just a tenth of a second behind with 12.2 seconds.
This car did win, just one. But it costs from £62,000. That starts from £45,000. So that's a weapon for the money. Anyway, on with the next challenge. We're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Both cars are in automatic mode for the driving mode selection, and the gearbox is in drive. The idea is just that you're just cruising along, someone challenges you, then you race. So I'm going to count it in, and we'll see what happens. We'll just floor the throttle. Okay then, 3, 2, 1. Go! It seemed pretty level then, but now this is going. And I think that is pretty much done. Ooh, that's fast enough. I think this gearbox just kicked down a little bit faster than that one. Sometimes that DSG dual clutch can just be a bit slow to respond. The cars were both in automatic mode, so they're designed to operate for exactly as you want them to. So if you kick down, it should give you full power as you need it, but this just has more power and more torque. Finally then, we're going to do a braking test from 70 miles an hour. So when we hit the cone, full ABS braking, see who stops in the shortest distance. Here we go, here comes the cone. Oh yeah, that is super close. Let me just have a quick look at that. Now that was really close. Let's see. Okay, so there's hardly anything in it, but this line kind of runs across. I'm a bit closer to it than that car is, so I think that stopped in probably about that much less distance, so nothing in it at all. Could be down to driver reaction. Whew.
The RS4 was ahead in both acceleration tests, so it's clearly the winner. But given how close behind the RS3 was and how much less it costs, it's an absolute steal and gets the moral victory.